everybody, it's Molly. I have spent all day varnishing and resining like 20 or 30 pieces again. Smaller pieces, coasters, and some paintings for the resin, and the larger pieces were varnished with liquitex high gloss varnish. But I'm tired and I want to do something for myself. And I'm not even gonna worry about what's gonna happen here. You can see I already painted something and hated it, scraped it off the canvas immediately. Waste of paint, but whatever. I am using a different pouring medium that I just made up today with some, I bought like this gallon. I bought one of each actually, but I used my coupon at Michael's and I got these gigantic gallon things of pouring medium and high gloss or gloss varnish. So yeah, so I've been playing around with that. So I'll put it below, but it's some gloss varnish, gloss polymer medium and varnish. My go-to GAC 800. And then I did predominantly liquitex pouring medium and then a little bit of floetrol. So we'll see how this one, no silicone and anything. So we'll see how this comes out. So I'm just gonna do a couple of ring pours to start. I'll put my colors down below, but I've got some crimson. Hope this doesn't come out kind of like a red, white, and blue, but I've got some cobalt, metallic cobalt in there. I've got some Paynes gray, some phthalo blue, just a bunch of different stuff. There's glitter in a couple of the colors. I mean, I just went, you know, crazy on this one because I was literally going crazy varnishing all day. Okay, these two I'm just gonna flip over. And the rest I'm gonna pour around it. Just a fun pour today. Ooh, I like that blue and that white together, how those came out. Ooh, really pretty. Dang, that's gonna go off the end too. Maybe it'll come out again right here. Yeah. Pretty colors. The one I had done before, I had an aqua in there, aqua green, and I had more silver, and it just came out this like nasty silverish blue color that I didn't really like. So back to the drawing board on that one. Somebody had commented earlier about why don't I have a fund me page? And I do, I just don't talk about it because I want you guys to watch my channel because you like it. Not necessarily, you know, I don't like forcing, you know, asking people, I guess, for money, but I do. I have a PayPal me account below. I have my Instagram, my Etsy store, my Facebook, everything below. I always forget to like sell myself, I guess, because it's not really about that for me, but yeah, so it's all there. It's in the links. Check it out. Okay, what do I think? What do I think? These cells that are popping up are just from density. They're not from silicone. And I videotaped the last pour, but you're never gonna see it because it was horrible. But I said in the pour, I hope my camera doesn't fall down because you're up really high. And then my camera did fall down. So that was not cool. Before I finish, let me just make sure you're like at the right angle to see this stuff. I literally have to climb up. Okay, good, you're good. I have to climb up on a chair, on a table. I have a 5 foot. Just popping air bubbles really to get some of this out of there. That silver is showing up. There are a lot of air bubbles in here. My glue gun, my gun is so sticky from the resin today. That's what made the camera fall over earlier. I went to grab it and it grabbed literally everything off the table. Okay, I got plenty of paint on here. I'm pretty happy with my colors. I'm just gonna get to spinning and see what happens. To tilting. So you guys let me know after the show, you know, I'm gonna take a little bit of a break and just do some stuff for me, but let me know if there's anything you'd like to see, any techniques you'd like me to try out, any colors you'd like me to use. I did that one before and I really enjoyed using the colors that people said. The stuff came out really cool. And this one really nice lady actually bought one of the ones that colors she had requested after I did it. So let me know if you want anything. If you want to see anything. Uh-oh, I lost a sprinkler helmet. A ton of people ask me about the sprinkler helmets, guys. They're sprinkler helmets. You can get them at Home Depot. Maybe Amazon has some, I'm not sure. Oh, I don't want to lose all those cells. Those are pretty. Oh, I got a lot of paint on there though. Get a little bit off there. Oh, my sprinkler head. Come back, buddy. I actually really like this. I really like what's happening up there, through there. So, I'm going to spin this around at this point. Get paint all over me. I do normally wear gloves, but I took them off to fix my camera and forgot to put them back on. And now at this point, a little too late, so. But I do normally wear them. There have been a couple of concerned people about me wearing gloves, but I do sometimes, if I remember. I'm loving these colors, guys. I don't know if it's the pouring medium that's kept the, I mean, I use a gloss varnish, just a gloss medium as well, but man, these colors are just, and I didn't do circles to try to keep my ring pores together, so that's okay. I don't mind that they look a little wonky. I want this entire thing to look kind of wonky. I want it to look, I don't want it to look contrived. I'm trying to tilt this way so you guys can still see. Hope you can. Go off that corner. Okay, I'm off that corner. Now I want to bring it back to the middle. Ooh, I love this river that's in the middle of blue with all those lines around it. I'm so happy I did this. I just needed a pour that was just a pour, you know? I don't know, do you guys ever need that? Like, I just needed to paint, just to paint. I wasn't trying to get any cells, I wasn't trying anything. I just needed to paint. But man, this looks so cool. Got a little blob right here. It's a blob of paint. Now I'm just gonna make that look like it was there. Bring that on around. You can do anything you want while this paint is still wet. Nothing is, you know, the world is not over if anything doesn't go right with the paint. You can always fix it. I kind of like what's happened on the edges here. I'm super excited, guys. I really like this one. Man. Just popping air bubbles again. There were a lot of air bubbles in this because I just mixed it up really fast. But that's all this is. That glitter is in there. Some people hate glitter. And I don't normally do glitter either, but I kind of like it in this. loving this river that's through here. I'll take the camera down and show you. Hopefully I don't die in the process climbing up that 5-story building to get to you. Sorry, I'm just babbling on, guys. Most of you probably watching mute anyway, huh? Oh, I love it. I love it, love it. Really cool. Okay, I'm going to try to take you down, people. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. So that's what she looks like. It's an 18 by 24 inch canvas. And look at this river of lacing. Look at these cells right there. And look at this river of lacing in the middle. I didn't even mean for that to happen. I was just pouring just to pour. Look at all the lacing that happened over there. That's just from the densities of the paint flowing through each other. I made my mixture a little bit thinner. That's my first ring pour. That's my second ring pour. See that? Look at these cells on the side. Oh man, I'm loving this. I really like it. A little bit of a glare, but that's okay. But that's what it looks like. Just something for just myself. I mean, I'll probably sell it if anybody wants it, but you know, just needed to pour. All right, well, thank you guys. Sorry I was babbling along. All right, I'll see you guys later. Happy painting. Bye.